In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay someone on Binance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to initiate a payment through Binance. So to do this, you need to use Binance Pay. You can access it through various ways, but the main one is going to be available on the home screen when you tap this icon here. So this icon on the home screen will allow you to go into Binance Pay. You can also use the search function and find it in any way that you choose. So when you tap this icon or you find another method to go into Binance Pay, you will see your Binance ID displayed here, and you will find the main option to pay someone through Binance, Send. So if you want to pay someone, choose Send. Once you select Send, you will now be able to look for the user that you will be paying. You can use their email or phone number or their Binance ID, like I said, displayed here. So once you have either of this information, just input the email, phone number, or Binance ID of the user on this input field. Once you have included it here, tap Continue. Now you will be able to choose the specific currency that you will be paying them with. So you will see the receiver's currency on this list, and you can choose a specific one. You can see the accounts listed as well and see the amount, and when you choose any of these, you will be able to input the amount. So input the amount either in the currency that you chose or in your local currency, so for example US dollars. And once you have it included, you will be able to add an optional note, so a description for this transfer. Again, this is going to be optional. And once you have everything included as needed, you can tap Continue and confirm the payment. So you will see how much the payee will receive. Double check to see if there are any fees included in this transfer. Choose the account that will be funding this, and then you will be able to confirm at the bottom by tapping this button. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay someone on Binance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.